Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact YouTube or Google account you want to verify. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Channel Status and Features, and find Phone Verification. This directs you to the phone entry form. Enter your phone number, choose SMS or voice verification, and make sure your phone has signal. You do this now to link a single active number to the account, so the system can send a code and confirm ownership before proceeding. Once you request the code, check your phone immediately. Choose SMS for speed or voice if SMS fails. You will usually get a numeric code within 2 to 3 minutes, so monitor messages and any call logs. If nothing arrives, make sure airplane mode is off, signal is present, and your carrier allows short codes. When the code appears, type the digits exactly into YouTube's verification box. This confirms the link between your number and account, preventing duplicate or unauthorized uses. After entering the code, confirm and observe the success message. YouTube updates account status and unlocks features tied to phone verification. If you hit an error, wait a short interval and retry, because rate limits may temporarily block attempts. Make sure you're not using a virtual or VoIP number, since those often fail. If problems persist after trying a different device or carrier, contact Google support. Otherwise, try an alternate mobile number. Then repeat the verification steps to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.